Ito na ang breakfast ni Chase. Fried rice yan. Ginawa ko lang dyan butter, tapos oyster sauce, tapos rice, tsaka egg. Kasi may hotdog siya, tsaka sunny side up. Niluto ko na yung egg para sure na safe. Mahirap na may mga virus ngayon na kumakalat. So, yan. Tapos, ito, nagano na rin ako ng para sa akin. Hindi na ako nakagawa ng pangbaon niya kasi konti na lang yung groceries namin. Wala na akong maisip na pwede niyang ipangbaon. Bigyan ko na lang siya ng pera. Kaylee, babat ka na. Bababat na si Kaylee. Nagulat ako kanina. Natakot ako, grabe. Mag-aayos sana ako sa labas. Sa may lagayan namin ng lutuan sa tabi ng screen sa labas. Pag-angat ko nung eco bag dun sa may maliit na planggana. May malaking palakang langit, yung mataas tumalon na palaka. Yung makinis yung ay, over na naman yung niya. Pagka face beauty. Yung mataas tumalon, tas makinis yung balat niya, hindi siya yung katulad ng normal na palaka. Tumalon siya bigla. Papunta sa amin ni Kaylee, buti na lang hindi mismo kay Kaylee siya nagland, doon lang sa medyo tabi ni Kaylee. Tas bumalik siya doon ulit sa sa shelf. Grabe, ang sakit sa dibdib. Sobrang takot ako sa palaka kasi ewan ko ba, nung bata naman ako, naglalaro kami sa bukid, tas maraming palaka doon, hinuhuli pa namin yung mga maliliit.
I will run, I will climb, I will soar. I'm undefeated. Oh, jumping out of my skin, pull the cord. Yeah, I believe it. Oh, the past is everything we were. Don't make us who we are. So I'll dream until I make it real, and all I see is stars. It's not until you fall that you fly. When your dreams come alive, you're unstoppable. Take a shot, chase the sun, find the beautiful. We will glow in the dark, turning dust to gold, and we'll dream impossible. Possible. I will chase, I will reach, I will fly until I'm breaking out my cage like a bird in the night. I know I'm changing it into something big, better than before.
Ito ang baon ni Cheese ngayon. Sausage, orange, tapos sliced bread. Binalot ko sa tissue para hindi mabasa nung orange yung sliced bread. Yan. Ito na yung niluto ko. Titikman ko lang. Gugutom na ako kanina pa eh. Ikaw, solve? Pawis na pawis siya. Saan? Kaylee, pares pala kayo naka-red ni Barbie eh. Pinapadrink niya si Barbie sa straw. Hi guys! Hi guys! Say hi guys! Ili! Tinatry ko lang tong macro lens. Kaso kita yung ano niya, ito. Kita yung gilid. Kita yung gilid niya, yung pinaka-frame ng lens. Kita. Hindi ko alam kung paano gagawin ko dito para hindi siya makita. Kaya medyo lumit. So, ayan. Parang medyo malabo siya. Yan, para mas wide yung view. Yan. Wala lang. Yun lang. Tinry ko lang to. Hi, guys! Hailey, say hi, guys!
Yes.
Naglalaroan niya na naman yung cushion ko. Hi, guys! Nasira na niya nga yung takip nun eh. Drink ikaw ng Chucky? Chucky, Chucky, Chucky! Favorite drink niya yan, Chucky eh. Bukod sa milk niya eh. Is that your favorite drink? Nakakatamad. Maglilinis sana ako kaso ewan ko, tinatamad ako. Yan, putol-putol na naman yung mga vlogs. Walang walang ending, puro start lang. Pero at least meron pa rin.
I will run, I will climb, I will soar. I'm undefeated. Oh, jumping out of my skin, pull the cord. Yeah, I believe it. Oh, the past is everything we were. Don't make us who we are. So I'll dream until I make it real, and all I see is stars. It's not until you fall that you fly. When your dreams come alive, you're unstoppable. Take a shot, chase the sun, find the beautiful. We will glow in the dark, turning dust to gold, and we'll dream impossible. Possible. And we'll dream impossible. I will chase, I will reach, I will fly until I'm breaking out my cage like a bird in the night. I know I'm changing into something big, better than before. And if it takes 1,000 lives, then it's worth fighting for. It's not until you fall that you fly. When your dreams come alive, you're unstoppable. Take a shot, chase the sun, find the beautiful. We will go in the dark, turning dust to gold, and we'll dream impossible. From the bottom to the top, we're sparking wild fast. Never quit and never stop the rest of our lives. From the bottom to the top, we're sparking wild fast. Never quit and never stop. It's not until you fall that